Hi everybody, from the website of Tane Andoff, and he is a very well-known astral traveler and is in contact with ETs, and he's just put his information out here and was asked to share it, and he doesn't really comment on it one way or the other, but he tells about his experience. So let's just read what he has to say. For the record, today we are witnessing that Indo-Australian plate is tilting on one side, producing seawater intrusions and major flooding of most of the Indonesia and India, with Thailand being most affected. On the other side, we are witnessing a rising of the plate. Christchurch in New Zealand and Vanuatu, just to name a few. Periodic reports that there is something weird going on with the ocean floor east of Australia, and that satellite measurements are showing that it is rising. We always immediately, the information is always immediately sort of suppressed by the mainstream media. As things are going, soon nobody will be able to deny that something weird is happening with the Indo-Australian plate. Now, obviously this is a translation, so you can read it yourself, and if you think I haven't translated it properly, then you go ahead and, form your own conclusion. During one of my communications with ETs in 2008, they transmitted before the communication was interrupted. Everything in the galaxy is on high alert. Search for Paul L. I started Googling that name and wasted almost 2 days searching the net, and eventually stumbled on the research of Dr. Paul Laviolette, PhD. When I read what his research was about, it hit me with full strength. Super wave theory. I contacted him immediately, told him that ETs had told me to search about his research and that the super wave will hit exactly on December 23rd, 2012. He laughed at first and was very skeptical, but as the conversation went along, he became very serious and started to listen to what I had to say. It blew his mind and left a signature on him, so he always mentions me whenever he speaks about 2012. We are still in touch, both excited with what the near future will bring. So it was basically etched on his mind. As soon as I received the important input and what humanity needs to do in order to proceed towards the next step in evolution, I started to organize global healing meditations worldwide. Thousands of people were meditating in the same time, projecting their thoughts and energy in order to heal Earth and to raise the vibrational field of our planet. In 2008, I wrote an ebook, 2012 Nexus Event, Unknown Form of Energy Comes Our Way, and since the present day it was downloaded by more than 3 million people. It's available to download for free on his website, and there's the link. It was about powerful released energy from the explosion of the supermassive black hole in the center of the Milky Way, and how that will affect our solar system and all biological or non-biological life in it. Its connection with DNA of life and consciousness was the main motive. So, especially what we as humans can do in order to help our planet become compatible for the arriving energetic wave, so the new era will be an era of light and cosmic balance. In 2010, he created a PDF file with the name 2012 Equation Solved, and he released it to the public. In just 10 weeks, the file was downloaded more than 100,000 times, and it's still spreading fast on the internet. The file contains confronting knowledge of upcoming changes, and its beauty and strength lies in the parallels of different information sources leading towards the same logical conclusion. It deals with so many topics, showing us the big picture that was hidden from us for so long. The file includes the latest research about the Milky Way galaxy and the latest data generated by the Chandra X-ray Observatory, giant ribbon discovered at the edge of the solar system, sun going into its red giant phase in 2012, Mayan long count calendar, the crop circles phenomenon, what are we, and DNA structure, what happens when a human being physically dies, how the game will be played by the dark force, cosmic rays, penetration into your solar system, ancient giants and DNA, forgotten past and ancient nuclear conflicts on Earth, Moon and Mars, and his personal experience with the ETs and what we need to do. So there you have it, folks. This is Am from Canada 1. Thanks for watching. I'll post a link to his website below.